everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. Welcome. Hey, Justin. Welcome, Justin. Hey, Michael. Welcome, Michael. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. We had some selling in equities today, so we'll take a look at that. All right. I well, it might about not be a concern. We'll see. All right. If we have to, we'll move the daily time frames here on the indexes to a 240-minute time frame. All right. If we get white candles, we still have all green candles here. All right. So just keep that in mind. All right. So the Dow was down 284 points today. NASDAQ was down 173. S&P was down 34. Russell was also down. All right. Sectors are still holding, but we'll take a look. We'll take a look at equities and especially the individual trades. All right. We had that Christmas rally, and usually doesn't happen every time, but usually we get a pullback in January. But this is early. All right. So we could see some selling in equities. So we'll pay attention to that. Let's go right into current positions. All right. So let's go through your current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Several of the positions turned around. All right. So let's take a look at those. All right. We closed several positions yesterday, right? A lot of them did really well, right? Did really well. So we added a few more. All right. So long positions, EURSGD. All right. That closed. All right. So sell signal right here. All right. Buy signal was here. Sell signal was here. Sellers are coming in here. So close that trade. EURSGD, close that trade. EURTRY, that closed today, guys. All right. So a decent trade. Buy signal was here. All right. Broke support right here. That's your support line right here. This one didn't give a red candle. All right. But it did give a sell signal. This white arrow here. And I know we got new traders here. All right. So this white arrow right here, that's your sell signal. This candle, this little triangle right here, I know it's hard to see, right here is where the sell signal came in, right when it broke your support line right here, the yellow line. All right. So close this trade. EURTRY, close that trade. So we should not be, unless we find any additional trades this evening, we should not be in any long trades in Monster Scalper. All right. All right. So EURTRY, close that trade, please. Great trade here. Good trade. Okay. Short positions. Short positions in Monster Scalper. Now we send out some short positions in the yen pairs. The yen pairs made a move up today. All right. So that's a bit strange. Usually the yen pairs will tend to follow the equity market. So let's take a look. So pound yen. All right, that closed. Sell short signal was here. Now we were concerned about the short here. We were hoping that it would break support. All right, break support, but it failed. All right, sell short signal here. White candles came in, green candles, right? White arrow here to close the trade. So pound yen, close that trade. All right, pound yen, close the trade. Euro yen. Sell short signal is here. Green candles came in today. All right, right here, green candle. Right, white candles are coming in, but the trade is done, guys. The trade is done. I'll close the trade. So euro yen, close the trade. Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Sell short signal is here. All right. Now this one here. All right. If you didn't close it, I guess you could still hold on You've got white candles there. You don't have any green candles, all right? You don't have any green candles, and you currently have a red candle here coming back in here. All right, red candle right here, current. All right, we'll put this here and see if it can test it one last time here. All right, and break through that support right here. All right, and we've got a small triangle happening here. All right here. And if anyone is in it, for right now, you could still hold it. If it gives you, if it breaks through that trend line, give a green candle, just close the trade. Okay. That's Aussie yen. All right. Pound dollar. All right. Sell short signal is here. That moved up. Let's take a look at the other pound pairs. Now, I am surprised that we didn't get a move lower in these pairs. Pound HKD. Let's take a look here. All right, that's moving up. All right, pound SGD, green candles here. All right, so that's not good, guys. So go ahead. I would say just close those pound pairs. So pound SGD, close that trade. Pound HKD. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty, welcome. All right, pound HKD. If you wanted to, guys, let's take a look here. Oh. Let's see here. All right, so you've got really good support here. This whole area here, right in here, hit support here. There's a good chance that it could move higher. All right, so just right now, if you got in about in here, you'd break even or small loss, just close the trade. And then pound, same thing for pound dollar. Okay, sell short signal is here. All right, it's moving up here. So just close the trade. Just close the trade. All right. So only short right now in Monster Scalper is Aussie yen, but keep an eye on it. Okay. Forex dominator. Forex dominator. Long positions in Forex dominator, guys. And we'll definitely go through equities. Okay. So we've had 2 days of selling in equities. So it's important we pay attention to that. Aussie CAD, buy signal here. We're hoping that it would break resistance. All right, we have some white candles coming in here. Let's hold on for now. All right, it's still in pretty good profit. Hopefully, it will test that resistance again right here. All right, if you get a red candle, close the trade. Okay. New Zealand CAD. This one is holding here. We did get a white candle, right? White candle here yesterday, day before. Green candle yesterday, and currently a green candle here. So it's trying to continue to move higher. Hopefully, we can test resistance here again and break to the upside. New Zealand CAD buy signal right here. EURTRY, that should hold, right? So EURTRY, we can remove this. All right, buy signal here, continuing to move higher. You guys can see that here. All right, we could put a resistance line here and see if it could break to the upside. Good trade going here, guys. Good trade. Buy signal all the way down here. Again, this on the daily time frame. EURTRY, great trade going there. Okay. Previous trade did really well. Then we added this one last night. All right. You guys remember this one, USDTRY. All right, so we got a new buy signal right here, right, on a break of this resistance, this yellow line right here, and it's moving higher. And this should follow EURTRY. Those are your Turkish pairs. So those are holding fine. EURCZK, EURCZK. All right. Let's see here. So we've got resistance right here, guys. I would say strong resistance right here, right about here. All right, right here, and buy signal here. We need some more conviction, right? Green candle here. They're still holding it to move higher, breakthrough resistance there. Now it's a euro pair, so EURTRY looks good. EURCZK, hopefully that will continue to move higher there. Okay. All right. Short positions. Those are the longs. Short positions in Forex dominator. Okay. Remember, these on the daily time frame. So a little longer, right? We keep these longer. All right. Euro SEK. Euro SEK, guys. Sell short signal here. We had a big bounce. See right here. Let's remove this. All right, here was our support, our target. Sell short signal was here. We reached that target here. Go ahead and just close this trade. We talked about this. We could take profits. We'll take it, I mean, obviously, right? Sellers could come back in and retest support, but just take profits. We'll call it a day on this trade here. EURSEK, EURSEK, free up your capital there. Take profits there. That hit the first target. Pound yen, that's a new one, pound yen. Now, the market was funny today, right? It closed low. I think we had the Fed spoke later in the afternoon. So the selling came in later in the afternoon, guys. So that's still good for the if the equity markets move lower, great for the yen pairs. Okay, so sell short signal is here. Red candles still holding here. So for now, we'll keep it. Support is here. So if you guys look here, support is here. So pound yen needs to break through support here. And we do have a nice markdown phase going here. We just need to break support here. So we'll keep on that, hold that. EURJPY, same thing. All right. So we've got support here. Remember, these on the daily time frames. Here, sell short signal is here. Here is your markdown phase. We'll start from the high here. So it's making lower highs, lower lows in particular, right? We need to get down, keep moving down, break support here. All right, be patient with these. USD JPY performing well. Sell short signal is here. All right, a bit of a pullback, right? Red candles, we needed to continue to move higher, right? Test support here. Okay, HKD JPY, same thing. So you see what the yen pairs are doing, guys. Yen pairs are moving lower. HKD JPY, sell short signal here. A bit of a pullback. Now, if you notice in our Monster Scalper 240, right? Buyers came in, green candles. On the in Forex Dominator daily time frame, they're still holding. All right. So you notice how the different time frames will hold the trades differently. For right now, we'll remove this target here. All right. So we'll look for the first target right here. Just know that's where buyers are sitting right here. Okay. All right. Pound Aussie. We'll go ahead and close pound Aussie. Okay. We saw what the pound pairs are doing. All right. Sell short signal is here. Now it could move lower. I rather the move in the yen pairs. All right, on the daily. If you guys see here, here's your sell short signal. Right, price came all the way down here, but now it's all the way back up. If it gets back into the box, look here, between support and resistance, we could see where buyers get really excited. Okay, all right, so right about here. Right, all that consolidation. So if that price action gets back, right, previous support becomes resistance, get back in here, we could see buyers really push that price up here. So go ahead and close that trade. We'll do that here. All right, so pound Aussie, close that trade, please. Okay. All right, that's in Forex Dominator. All right. Let's take a quick look at equities. Well, it won't be quick because we have a lot of stocks here. And with the selling, I'm sure we've had some, we will have to close some trades. Okay, let's go through these quickly here. All right. Equities, stock boss. Okay, so stock boss. Remember, stock boss, these are stocks um, under $10. And we've been adding these for a while now, about 3 months now. Okay, we've been adding slowly for about 3 months. We really got into the Christmas rally. A lot of these did extremely well, but we might have to close some of these. Okay, so let's go through them. All right. All right. Now, as we go through these, we're looking for, if we get a white candle, guys, we'll stop, analyze it, right? Whether we need to continue to hold or close the trade. All right. Red candle, close the trade. Just red candle, close the trade. Sell signal, this white arrow here by our system here, close the trade. Okay. So red arrow, close the trade. White arrow, red candle, close the trade. White arrow, close the trade. White candle, we'll keep an eye on it. Okay. All right. AMPS, that's holding, buy signal here, hit resistance, pull back a bit, all green candles, nothing to do there. All right. All right. ULCC, buy signal here, white arrow here. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right. So weekly here, guys, if you look here on the weekly, sellers are coming in on the weekly here. Red candle, close the trade. Okay. All right. All right. So ULCC, close the trade. Buy signal here, right? Buy signal right here. Broke support. We know what's going on the weekly time frame right here. You have a small, probably a small, if you bought here, right about small profit, small loss, close the trade. UCLCC. Now, right, guys, we want to close this trade. This is what could happen if sellers come in strong, right? This is what could happen here. So take that small loss. All right, take that small loss. You will find more opportunities. Okay, take that small loss. All right, VLRS, buy signal here. All right, holding, still holding all green candles. If you get a white candle, do the same thing. Keep an eye on it. All right. All right, ZIM, buy signal here, holding really well. First target here. So we needed to get to this target. Hopefully it can break through, but holding well. Nothing to change there. AMSC, same thing. Buy signal here, holding, right? All green candles, needed to get back, get to resistance up here, first target. All right, ANGI, all right, let's remove this. ANGI gave a red candle and sell signal, close the trade. All right, so buy signal came in at 208, sell signal 230, close the trade. All right, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal by our system, close that trade. ANGI. All right, APPS, and now guys, we've selling coming in the equity, in the indexes, right? We've got to do this, all right? These trades can get out of hand quickly if sellers come in heavy, all right? All right, let's see here. All right, weekly time frame. All right, on the weekly red candles, guys, right here, sellers could come in. You see that? They've been selling it, all right? So close the trade. Bring it back on the daily. All right. So buy signal came in at 608, right? This close today, 632. Close the trade. This is what can happen. Close the trade. All right. AUR, buy signal here. Now it reached our target. We were hoping that it would make it to the second target here. All right. But it pulled back, Close today for white candle. All right, let's take a quick look at the weekly. All right, now big pullback here. All right, big pullback here. Um, mm, let's see. This one is a little tricky. All right. For right now, it's trading right at resistance, guys. This is where sellers are sitting, okay? So it's in decent profit. Buy signal was at 236, close today at 313, okay? We'll hold it for now, okay? For now. All right, AUR. All right, AVPT. All right, this one closed. Buy signal was here, right here, 7:15. Red candle, sell signal, broke support right here, closed the trade. All right, you guys see that? Buy signal was here, sell signal, broke support, red candle, sell signal, closed the trade. Should be clear for everyone to see. Buy signal was at 7:13. Sell signal at what's that? It closed today at 778. Close the trade, please. All right. BKKT, buy signal here, right? Right at pullback, white candle here, not a big white candle. All right. But right at resistance, take a quick look at the weekly. I know it sounds tedious, but this is what we have to do. All right. Buy signal on the weekly, holding green candles on the weekly, holding. So we'll hold onto this one for right now. All right. And it's right at resistance there. But keep in mind, this is what, right? This is one to really pay attention to. We'll hold it for now, but this is what the sellers did before. Spiked it up, came all the way back down here. Spiked it up, came all the way back down. Right? This could happen here. So let's just close this one. All right, let's close this. Buy signal here, take profits. Right? Sellers could come in. Yeah, especially if we have additional selling tomorrow, guys. So close this. BKKT, close the trade there. Okay. That's too risky there. Okay. BKKT. All right. BLBT, CLBT, white candle here. I think we'll have to close this one also. All right, holding on the weekly time frame, we do have purple support and resistance here. Let's see here. Now, guys, if we continue to get selling, right, these trades that are on the borderline here, all right, we'll close them, okay? CLBT, close the trade, right? We're really failing to stay above resistance, white candle there. And guys, it's high up in the markup phase, right? It's had two really great trades before, right here, right here. This is the third one, so it's getting extended, okay? So take, looks like a small loss, small profit there. Close the trade. CLBT. All right, it's just a symbol. All right, CLSK, that's holding. Buy signal all the way down here. Broke the first level, second level. It hit the second level right here. All right, we'll hold it for now, but just remember, this is what sellers did before, right? When it hit that resistance right here, they brought it all the way back down. Okay, so we'll hold it for now. All right, buy signal was at 503, right? Close today at 964, so almost 100% profit. But let's see what it does tomorrow. If anyone is in it, pay close attention to it. Okay, wouldn't fault you if you took profits, right? I wouldn't fault you for that. All right, CLVT holding. COMP holding, buy signal here, that's holding. DDD, red candle, close the trade. DDD, if you guys see here, right here, gap down, red candle, buy signal was at 496, close at 556, right? Profitable trade, close the trade, right? Even if it's a small profit, take those profits, close the trade. This is what sellers could, they can bring it. These red candles, sellers, when they come in, they could push that price all the way back down. Okay, so keep those profits. All right. DH, that's holding. EVLV, white candle here. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right, weekly, purple support and resistance, white candles coming here. We don't have any green candles on the weekly here. Let's close this trade. All right, buy signal here, broke support, right? White candle, close the trade. EVLV. All right. EVLV, close the trade. All right. That's holding. That's holding. All right. INDI, red candle here, close the trade, guys. Buy signal was at 687. Close today, red candle, 735. Close the trade, please. I know we want them to keep going higher, but if sellers come in, we've got to get rid of them. All right. That's holding. All right. Red candle, KIND. All right. Buy signal here. Right. Red candles came in yesterday and today closed the trade. Buy signal was at 195. Closed today at 170. Close the trade, guys. KIND. All right, MGNI, white candle here. Let's take a look at the weekly. See if buyers are holding on the weekly. All right, that's a concern there on the weekly. Let's close this trade. All right, MGNI, close the trade, please. All right, so buy signal was at 780, closed at 890. All right, so almost a point up, close the trade. MGNI. NVTS, guys, you notice, right? Just a few days, couple of days, 2 or 3 days of selling, and these stocks are already turning around. All right, that says a lot, right? That says a lot. We could get selling. Okay, so close the trade. It's over. No green candles anymore. Right? Red candles are coming in. See what happens when we get these red candles. That's why we color code it like this. So we know when sellers are coming in. All right. So NVTS, close the trade. All right. OUST. All right. Sellers are sitting here. This is resistance, trading below resistance. Let's go ahead and take profits here. Okay. OUST. Buy signal was at 529. I know we don't have any white candles yet, but see where right here, you get back under here, sellers really start to come in. OUST. All right. So buy signal was at 517, close today at what's that? 692. Good profit there. Close the trade. OUST. It's over. All right, PRCH, that's holding. QS, close the trade. QS, buy signal here, broke support, red candle, sell signal by our system here. Buy signal was right around 662, sell signal 650, close the trade there. All right, RXT, that's holding. STEM, all right, buy signal here, red candle, guys, close the trade. Sellers are coming in. Close the trade. Buy signal was at 4, right around 408. Close today at 348. All right, close the trade. STEM. All right, TWK. All right, white candle. Take a look at the weekly. Look at that weekly, guys. Look here. That's why it's a good idea to take a look at that weekly. See right here, red candles here. Sellers are coming back in. Red candles. All right, on that weekly, that could go much lower. Okay, much lower there. So we'll close it here on the daily. All right, so TWKS, close that trade, please. UIS, holding, holding, holding for now, holding, holding for now, holding for now, holding, holding, holding. GCI will close this one also. Has potential, but very choppy there. Okay. So GCI closed the trade. GENI, red candle, close the trade, guys. All right. Buy signal right here. Right. Buy and sell signal right around the same place. So buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. GENI. Okay. All right. That's holding. Holding. Keep an eye on this. If they're near resistance, like this one here, guys, if you see where you've got resistance here, this is where sellers came in heavy. Keep an eye on this one. That doesn't mean it won't. If we get buying in the markets tomorrow, right, and Friday we could see it break out. All right, so just if you're in this one, HOUS, keep a close eye. Looks good. Price action looks good. All right, buy signal here, holding right here. It's really trying to hold. So keep an eye on that one. But just know sellers are sitting there waiting. HPP holding. IL PT, that's holding there. All right. JMIA will close this one. What I might do, guys, is we have so many. So we'll just look for the red candles. Okay. White candles, just too many to go through. So we're gonna go through these and find the red candles, okay, or sell signals. And we'll come back to these tomorrow. But we need to find the ones that have given sell signals because we've got to go through Monster Scalper also. I mean, Bull Master. So we're looking for red candle sell signals, okay? So we're looking for definite exits. All right, so AMBP, close the trade, please. All right, you have a red candle sell signal, exit signal to close the trade. All right, buy signal 355, sell signal 372, close the trade. All right. Hey, if it's take a small profit. Small profits are better than no profits, right? All right. All right, MTTR, red candle here, guys. Close the trade. Okay, MTTR. All right. PROK, close the trade. Sell signal, red candles coming in, close the trade. Okay. PROK, right here. All right. Close the trade, please. Almost done with stock boss. Doing it this way, we should be able to get through a bull master. Okay. All right. So now bull master, we're looking for same red candles, sell signal by our system to close the trade. Okay. If you're trading any of these, you've got a white candle and you need me to take a look at them, just send it to me. You guys know how to get it to me and I'll analyze it for you guys. Okay. But right now we've got to I want to go through all of these stocks because of the selling. Okay. That we got in today, the last couple of days. All right. So AA bull master. Just remember these stocks are a bit higher, over $10, large caps. These are large cap stocks. Okay. On average. Nothing there. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. All right. Hold for now. All right. AMBA. Close the trade, please. All right. Buy signal here right at $56. Right. Red candle, sell signal right here at 56.71. Close the trade, please. AMBA. All right. BALY. BALY. Close that trade, please. All right. Buy signal was right at, all right, around 1240. All right. Close today at 1213. Close the trade, please. BALY. We're almost done. We've got about 15 minutes, guys. I'll get you guys out of here. We do want to go through these stocks. All right. C, G, and X. Close the trade, please. We can control, guys, when the sellers come in. Okay. So it's what it is. All right. I know we want to hold on and hopefully it goes higher, but that's not how it's done. So buy signal was right here at 39.66. Red candle, sell signal 39.02. Close the trade. C, G, and X, if anyone is in it. All right. DRVN, close the trade, please. All right. Red candles, sellers are coming in here. All right. Buy signal was right at 1290, close today at 1293. Right. Small loss. Close the trade, please. All right. ETSY. ETSY. All right, close the trade. No red candles, but we have a sell signal here. White arrow right here. So buy signal was right at 70.35. Sell signal close today at 79.13. Close the trade, please. ETSY. All right. Fiverr FVRR. All right. Red candle sell signal by our system. Buy signal here came in at right at 26, around 26. Sell signal came in at 25. What's that? Close today, 25.10. Close the trade, please. FVRR. We ride on schedule. All right, good trade. GoDaddy closed. Look at GoDaddy. Closed today. All right, great trade here, guys. All right, buy signal was right around here. All right, right about 86, close today. Good trade at 10, was that 101? All right, good trade going here. Buy signal here, sell signal here, close the trade. GDDG. All right, GNR. All right, look at this. You guys see here. This is a good example, okay? See right here? This is where sellers are sitting right at resistance here, okay? And here sellers are coming in. Buy signal here, right? Failing to hold above resistance and continue to move higher, right? Red candle, close the trade. So buy signal was right at 112, close today at 119.72, close the trade. GNRC. All right, this is what can happen. So we got to get out. Okay. Don't stay around. That's holding. Keep an eye on any white candles, guys. We won't stop anymore, but keep an eye. If you're in any of these white candles, get out. INSP closed the trade. Buy signal was here. Red candle, that's sell signal. They closed the trade. Buy signal was right around 173. Close to there at 165. Closed the trade. INSP. All right. KTOS, buy signal here, broke resistance, good trade here. All right, broke support, sell signal, white arrow, red candle here, close the trade. So buy signal was right at 1669, close today at 1850. If you were lucky and you got it right about here, that would have been 1945 if you were quick. All right, but close the trade. KTOS. L LUV. Now this is not good, guys. We're having to close a lot of trades, so their institutions are they're getting rid of some stocks. All right, all right. So keep just be aware of that. LUV buy signal here 27.57. Close today at 27.31. LUV close the trade, please. These are holding. All right. NVRO, right? NVRO. Close the trade, please. Right. Buy signal was right at 1926. Close today at 1914. Close the trade. Okay. It's over. It's over. NVRO. It's a holding. Any white candles, if you're in it, just really, really watch it. Put it, look at the weekly. See what it's doing on the weekly. RNG, close the trade, please. All right. Buy signal was at 31.26. Gap down. That's never good when they gap down. Close today at 31. Close the trade there. RNG. All right. SEDG, close the trade, please. This one was just starting to make a move higher. Nice markdown phase, but got to close it. Buy signal was at 99.99. All right, close today, 86.44. Close the trade. SEDG. Holding, holding, holding. White candles, remember, keep an eye on those. Snow, SNOW, snow closed. Okay. All right. All right. So broke support right here. Hit so right at support, purple support. Hit it there. Sell signal by our system. Buy signal was at 166.35. Close today 182 and change. I know these are high, but you could trade the options on those. Okay, the call options. All right, VRNT, VRNT. We only have a few more guys, couple more. We're right on time. All right, buy signal came in at 23.74. Red candle here. All right, so 23 was at 23.74, closed at 25.37, closed the trade. Okay. All right, red candle here. That's our sell signal also. Okay. VRNT closed the trade. That's holding. W closed the trade, gap down today, red candle. All right, so buy signal here right at 61, close today 55, red candle, close the trade, and it gapped down. Like I said, that's not good. All right, that's the last one here. All right, and we'll go through these. Hopefully, we'll have buying coming tomorrow and move the ones with white candles, right? Move them up. All right. But if we get selling tomorrow, those with white candles, guys, we could see red candles come in. Okay. So be careful if you're trading these. I know some of our traders are in these, so just be careful. Just remember the buying started in late October, right? So market's been going up for a while, so it's due for it's due for a pullback. We just don't know how strong the pullback will be. A couple of trades here before we leave. In futures, in Monster Futures, we have an S&P trade. Okay, so E-mini, S&P, and Monster Futures. Just be aware, right? Market's pulling back. This is where sell. Here is resistance right here. Now it broke through that resistance. It's just holding here. Buy signal here. We up here, but just keep an eye on that. Okay. For our Monster Futures traders, soybean holding there. I think this might have been. I think this is that's expired. So we'll close that soybean trade. Perhaps on Sunday we'll look for more trades in Monster Futures. Okay. We'll probably do that on Sunday. US 30. We saw some buy signals come in on the 240 in Monster Scalper. Those of you, hold on. Let's do this. So US 30, I don't think anything has changed. I mean, we see some red candles coming in here, but I would just say for right now, look at this, guys. There's nothing tradable here, right? And this on the 60-minute, okay? I mean, if you're trading with the system and you want to, I know Dean and some of our really good futures traders will absolutely. I know Dean is definitely trading, right? I know he's trading some of these moves here on the smaller time frames, but everyone else, I would just be careful, okay? Unless I know Peter's, I know Peter doesn't do this as much, but just be careful. Monster Scalper here. I want to take a look at the dollar pairs because we saw some alerts come through in the dollar pairs long, and we've been looking at the dollar pairs. I just don't know if it's ready yet. All right, we see buying coming in, but it's still scattered. Uh, just know if you guys take any of these trades, just be careful. Be willing to close if you get a white candle on these. EURSEK, we'll put a question mark there. I'm sorry, USD SEK. USD NOK. Um, that's not ready. That's not ready. And USD DKK. USD CZK. Now, we talked about the dollar index last night that it looks like it wants to move higher. USD CNH. All right. Swiss isn't ready yet. CAD, dollar CAD, USD CAD. Now, they're early. Let's take a look at the dollar index. The dollar index right here. Okay, so the dollar index have moved a bit higher, right? So this was yesterday, this is today, so it is breaking through. All right. It's up right now, but if the market is up tomorrow, we could see where sellers come back in and push. So this dollar, we're going to call this dollar trade, but I would say, because what could happen that we could miss the dollar trade. So let's see here. I tell you, guys what we'll do. Okay, if we had a white candle here, right? Definitely, we had a green candle. We could call it, but at least let's get a white candle here, kind of like this. Get a white candle. See a bit more movement. I'll send these out. All right. So let's just, it's still early. All right, still early. So we'll send those out. And you have strong support here. All right. So let's do this here. So I mean, this might have been the support for the dollar. Okay. So if we see a white candle come in here, and definitely a green candle like it's done here before, right? We'll take a second look at those dollar pairs. So just hold off on any trades right now. Okay. All right. If anything changes, I'll to our monster scalper traders, will send out those dollar trades. Okay. So Michael, you on here. All right. So just keep an eye out on those. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good evening. All right. Thanks for coming. And be flexible right now. Market's changing. All right. So be flexible. All right. We'll change with it. Change with the market. Take care. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Thanks for coming. Bye bye.